Ladies and gentlemen, if you have not heard of GetResponse, then you've got to go ahead and check them out. I'm going to give you a full-on, in-depth review of what features they offer and how they can actually benefit you. So without further ado, let us see what they have. Oh, before we get started, don't forget to use the link in the description down below to get started with the software. It is an affiliate link, so we will get a slight kickback when you click on it. So go ahead and get started. Alright, jumping into GetResponse, straight off the bat, let's discuss some of their core strengths. So they have advanced email marketing. Now, a lot of these platforms do have email marketing. It's kind of like a standard feature, but we're looking for the advanced features. So you can create sophisticated email campaigns with an intuitive drag and drop editor. It allows you to build complex automation workflows that respond to subscriber behavior. And this means it's delivering the right message at the perfect moment to the right person. It's all set out. That's amazing. It also has an integrated webinar hosting, so you can host live and on-demand webinars directly within the platform. You can engage with your audience in real time with interactive tools while also capturing leads and following up automatically. And it does have conversion funnels as well, so you can actually design your very own high converting landing pages and complete sales funnels without coding knowledge. You can connect every step of the customer journey from the awareness to the purchase phase with built-in analytics. You can also see over here that marketers using GetResponse's AI powered subject line generator and send time optimization see dramatic improvements in their engagement metrics, up to 30%. Also, businesses leveraging the integrated webinar platform reported higher lead conversion rates compared to their standalone webinar tools, up to 20% more. You can also see over here that they have powerful marketing automation, so you can design multi-step automation sequences based on your user behavior, their engagement, and their demographics. You can automate lead nurturing, sales follow-ups, and even customer re-engagement efficiency. Also, you have behavioral targeting, so you can segment your audiences quite dynamically based on their actions, their page visits, their purchases, their email opens, and a bunch more. You can deliver highly relevant content and offers to maximize the conversions. You can also recover abandoned carts, send personalized product recommendations, and automate post-purchase communications, boosting your revenue and your customer loyalty. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. As I mentioned previously, don't forget to use that link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, so you can actually get started and you'll be supporting our channel. We'll see you next time. Until then, take care.